I'm Deyan Sudjic, Director of the Design Museum in London, and this is our exhibition on Dieter Rams, Less and More. Ram suggested perspex and was told it was a little too fashion-orientated by Gugler, but he got round to it in the end, and they adopted it. And this, of course, is what's known as Snow White's coffin. So we're taking a tour around, looking at some of the highlights, pointing out some of the pieces that Rams worked on and his collaborators.
This exhibition is one of the first retrospectives of the work of Dieter Rams to be held in this country, and it's a well overdue overview of the work of one of the most influential late 20th century product designers working in Europe. Dieter Rams' career spans a long period of time, and within that time, much of his work was produced for German manufacturer Braun.
If you think about most designers' work, they go from one company to another. Maybe they can adopt a signature, but really they are at the mercy of who they work for. This is something quite different.
He sort of demonstrates how simple and accessible and straightforward good design can be. Something which looks very simple is something somehow very desirable, even though it might contain very complex technology or complex engineering.
He believed in the abolition of built-in obsolescence. He believes that if you analyze the functions of an object carefully enough, you can come up with the optimum set of operating controls, you can make the perfect face for a machine, you can give it a form which will outlive fashion. Whole categories of product have been abolished, and yet his machines still seem to have a timelessness.
So the show is very coherently laid out for you to very clearly see the progression from one type of work to another.
It's a sense of one designer following his aesthetic conscience, producing objects that all look as though they were designed for the same room.